Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the post of secretarial officer for the organization that is the Shipping Corporation of India Limited, a Government of India enterprise. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Shipping Corporation of India, a Government of India enterprise, has notified for the post of secretarial officer through advertisement number 04/2021. The eligibility criteria is: 1 vacancy is there, full-time bachelor degree in any discipline plus associate or fellow membership of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Preference will be given to the candidates having degree in law. Experience required is post qualification 9 years of experience with respect to the company secretarial functions. Candidate should have preferably handled a compliance with respect to listing regulations. Candidate having experience in state, central government departments, autonomous bodies, PSU, PSB or CPSE will be given preference. Date of reckoning eligibility criteria is 1st of May 2021. Age limit is 45 years as on 1st of May 2021. The contract would be of 6 months and initially for 1 year from the date of engagement with the provision of 2 extension of 6 months each. The consolidated monthly remuneration would be 1,25,000 and a conveyance cum mobile allowance rupees 10,000 per month will also be paid, and apart from that no other perks and benefits will be given. Posting will be at Mumbai and the company can depute you any other place or project in India. Accommodation, no company accommodation shall be provided. Leave would be given 30 days on a pro rata basis for 1 year. Work timing would be as per the office timing applicable to the SCI Shipping Corporation of India employees. Medical benefits, the officer will not be eligible for company's medical benefit, and termination is 1 month notice from the either side, and the corporation reserve the right not to accept resignation notice of the termination should the circumstances so warrant. The disciplinary proceedings are pending or contemplated against the officer. How to apply? You have to apply through the link provided on the corporation website, that is shipindia.com. Then you have to go on career website, then you have to click on sure, then recruitment of secretarial officer on contract 04/2021 and send their updated resume PDF only via email on shorecruitment@sci.co.in with subject as application for secretarial officer on contract. Candidates are also required to attach the following documents along with their resumes in the PDF format only: graduation degree certificate, company secretary completion certificate, membership certificate, work experience certificate for the years mentioned in the application form, and date of birth proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, birth certificate, etc. The total size of attachment should not be exceeded 10 MB. In case of failure of emails, SCI will not be responsible. Application document received after the last date of application will not be considered, and the last date of online application is 2nd of June 2021. The selection would be based on the shortlisted basis on the eligibility criteria for educational qualification, age and any other criteria is mentioned. In case of large number of applications, the company reserves the right to shortlist the number of candidates for interview out of the eligible candidates. The shortlisting will be based on the length and range of experience, higher qualification, accreditations, certifications and special achievements. The interviews will be conducted at the Shipping House, Nariman Point, Mumbai, or through video conferencing depending upon the prevailing situation at the time of interview. The schedule will be notified on the corporation websites. Only Indian nationals can apply for these posts, and after selection the waitlist panel will be valid for 1 year from the date of finalization and shall be applicable in case of selected candidate not joining for any reason or selected candidate separating from the organization. Candidates are advised to regularly check their email and the corporation website for the further information upon the website and for this vacancy. The contact person is Mr. Nilesh Hiramat, that is AMP, Assistant Manager Personnel, and the phone number given is 022 772594. I'll repeat, This phone number mentioned is 022772594. So whosoever is eligible and is interested can apply for these posts. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.